So the doubt is a doubt. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So tomorrow is the deadline, right? For week 7 assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you gone through the activity and practice assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So doubts? Any doubts?
Yeah, 1 or 2 might be from my side.
Okay. So let us do it one by one. Yeah, anything from conceptual thing, like concept related doubt? No? Okay. So we can start with problems. Let us start with activity. So I will go one by one, and if there is any doubt, you just let me know. I will try to clear it. Okay. So this is 7.1. Anything in 7.1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Which one? Seventh question is fine.
Yeah. For me, it's okay, madam. Anybody else? I don't know.
Okay, so it is a pretty simple question. You have to just check whether it is increasing or decreasing in the following intervals, right? So we know how to do this type of thing, right? Okay, I'm scrolling it down. Whenever you have a doubt with any question, you just stop me there immediately, okay? Yeah, this is the end. So anything in 7.1?
11, madam.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. So let us check one by one. We have the function
X plus 1 by x.
yeah, just write from them. Okay, so we have the function x plus 1 by x, and we have to check with what are the correct option. Okay, so f is an injective function if the domain is r minus 0. Is it correct?
No, like injective means like how we will check, madam. We will put x1, x2 like that.
Yeah, so you
Original
can check it
x1.
via this equation. So the thing is, we can directly pick some example. Okay, so if I suppose pick 2 and half, so they are not equal in r minus 0, right? Correct. But if
No,
I compute f of 2, this will be equals to f of half, right?
we are picking 2
2 and half.
numbers in x line.
Yeah, so the two
Yes.
numbers are not, that means we are picking 2 points from the domain which are not equal, but their functional value is equal. So it is clearly contradicting the definition of injective function.
Injective
Right?
function. Okay, okay. Correct.
So the first option will be incorrect automatically, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what about the second option? If I took the domain as, if I pick the domain as natural number, then half cannot be there, right?
Correct.
In that case, we will not able to find this type of example. So in this domain, the function will be injective. Even in integers also, this function will be injective. But if I take rational number, then again we can take the same example in rational numbers too, right? 2 and half.
For the second one, what you told, madam, it has to be from the natural
Yeah,
numbers.
yeah.
So
So then half cannot be there. That means this type of pair, this type of example we cannot choose, right?
okay,
And these are the only example which can contradict the definition of injective function.
injective. Okay.
Okay, so this will be automatically injective. Okay. If we are restricting the domain, that means we are basically excluding the point that like hub, like is excluding the point in the form 1 by n, where n is some natural number, right?
Okay.
Okay. So if the domain is natural number, then the function will be injective. Okay. Any doubt?
No, madam. Okay.
Okay. And if the domain is rational number, then again the same example will work, right? So
As per the option 1.
yeah, yes, correct. So the third option is incorrect. Again, for integer, we cannot pick any example like that. So for integer, this will be a injective function. Okay.
Integer, why they are saying -0?
Okay, if I take 0, then we will get 1 over 0, right? So at 0, the function is not defined. That is why we have to exclude 0 from the domain.
Integer and natural number both are same, madam.
No,
Okay,
integers
integer is
means
with minus,
negative points
numbers
also
also.
will take,
Correct,
right?
correct. Sorry.
And natural means you have to
Only 0 to
consider
positive.
1 to positive. Okay, so in your beginning weeks, we were considering natural number as 0 to some 0, 1 and so on. But for calculus part, it's better to consider natural number as 1 to infinity. Okay.
Okay.
Here we will not consider 0 a part of the natural number. Otherwise, we have to exclude 0. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So 0 cannot be in the domain of the function fx because at 0 the function is not defined, right?
Correct, madam.
Okay. Yeah. What about the fifth option? The function is surjective in the if the domain is natural number and the codomain is in rational number. What do you think? What do you think? This is not surjective, right? So here we have only x plus 1 by x in this specific format, right? But if I take a number, suppose 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, this is a rational number, right? But is there any pre-image for this number? Is there any pre-image? No, right? Or else we can take this. 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. This is the rational number, right? We know that. Correct?
The 1 by 3, where it has come from?
We are taking any rational number. Like we want to see that there are some rational number for which there is no pre-image under the function. Okay. That's why we picked a rational number, but we can see that for this number, we cannot find any point in the domain so that the functional value of the point is exactly this number, right?
Correct, correct.
Correct?
Because 2 plus half is fixed actually.
Yeah.
And whatever extra you are giving, that will not come when when x equal to 2, your f of x will be only 2.5. But for 2 plus half plus 1 by 3, which is the f of x, we cannot find x.
Correct. Correct.
Okay,
that
okay.
means there are some point in the set of all rational number for which we don't have any pre-image, right?
Correct.
That means the function is not surjective. So this option is incorrect, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Even we can work with the same example if the domain is integer.
Yes.
For integers also, this point doesn't have any pre-image. So the last option is also incorrect. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
The doubt was how to approach the problem. That was the main doubt. Now, after you told how to approach it, then I think I could able to understand, madam.
Okay, okay. So it's a bit clear, right? So whenever you will have this type of thing, the first thing is you try to find some example. If you can find an immediate example, then it is the best thing. If not, then try to construct something. That means try to go via the definition. Okay. For this, we can find an immediate example which can contradict the definition, right? So we can immediately conclude the options. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So,
Thank you.
yeah, welcome. What about others? Is it clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please explain the third option once more?
Third option. F is
Yes, ma'am.
injective if the domain is Q.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Apart
so
from 0.
yeah. So the thing is, you can pick the same example, 2.5. These are also rational numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you just pick same example, that means there are two different points in the domain for which the functional value is basically same. That means it is contradicting the definition of injective function, right?
Got it, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Is it fine now? Everyone, for everyone, is it fine? Okay. Silence means I will take it as yes. So, anything else in 7.1? No? Okay. Then we will move to 7.2. Yeah. What are the doubts in 7.2?
I'm getting answer as 3, ma'am.
Which one?
Question number 3, value of fg of 0.
Yeah. Okay. So, value of fg is 6. Okay. So, we have given our f. Okay. So, in this question, I think they have make a mistake. I mean, this looks like a multiplication, but here they actually tried to mean it as a composition.
Oh, FOG is O is
Yeah,
missing.
O is missing here. So if you do the composition, Z of 0 will be 1, then F of 1 will be 6, right?
Okay. So if you take it as multiplication, we'll get 3.
Yeah. If you take it as multiplication, you will get 3, and if you take it as composition, if you will get 6. So this is basically a printing mistake. Okay. If you have this type of thing, it generally means the multiplication, but here it is composition. Okay.
Okay. Then okay, madam. Then that's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Next.
And the fourth one, option 3, I'm not able to understand, madam. 1 is okay. Fourth one,
Option 3.
yes.
Okay. So I will give you hint and I will wait for some time. You just try to compute it. Okay. So sine 3x, we can break it as sine x plus 2x, right? Then we know sine a plus b formula and sine 2x formula. Can we try to apply both of them and arrive to this? Can you try to do that?
Ah, like that only I was trying, madam. But because sin x plus y, they have given us formula is there. And 2x, we got the answer from 1, that is 2 sin x
Okay,
cos
let
x.
us see. Okay, so we have sine 3x. We can break it as sine x plus 2x, right?
2x, yes.
Then we will get sine x
Cos 2x,
cos 2x plus
cos x, sin 2x,
cos x
sin 2x.
2x, right? Now we will
Okay.
apply sine x we already have. Okay, so because here we only have sine, that means cos 2x we have to apply in term of sine x, right? So how can we do that?
Tan, I don't know, cos 2x. That is where I don't understand.
1 minus 2 sine square x.
I think there will be a half also. So 1 plus 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sine square x, right? It was a formula, right? 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x, right?
These formulas we have to know, madam.
Yeah, it's better to know these formulas. Actually, these are from your relevant standard. Okay, these formulas. So if we can write the cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sin square x, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about cos x? Uh, what can we do with cos x? First of
1
all,
minus sin
sin
square
2x.
x.
Sin 2x we can express it as 2.
2 sin x cos x.
Okay, then we will get 2 sin x cos square x, right?
Okay.
Then, so if I multiply, we will get sin x minus 2 sin cube x.
Cube x
There was a
plus
plus 2
sin
sin
x
x
cos
1
square x.
minus sin square x, right?
Okay, cos square x is 1 minus sin square x.
Yeah. So sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. That means cos square x will be equals to 1 minus sin square x. Okay.
Okay.
Now can we simplify it?
Sin x, 2 sin x, so 3 sin x.
So we
And then
will get
equal
sin.
to it down, madam. Sin x, then this 2 sin x into 1 into sin square x, you will get 2 sin x there. So 1 sin x is here. So
Okay,
3
let us
sin
break
x.
it. So we will
Okay, okay.
step by step. So then it will be 2 sin x, and if I sum it, we will get 3 sin x, right?
Yeah, that's
Then
what.
minus 2.
Sin cube x.
So in a result, we will get 3
Sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
minus 4. Okay. So this is
So,
the third option, right?
okay. But what are the identities we have to know, madam? That can we get a small list? See, I did my 11th standard in
Yeah, I can
89,
understand.
1989.
Okay, surely. So the thing is basic sine square x
X plus cos square x equal to 1. That one is there.
1. Then 1 plus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. Okay. Sorry, 1 minus. Okay. And 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Okay. This 3 up to now I can suggest you, and this type of formulas you can try to remember. Then we will say, okay, we will see what are the important formula, then I will give you the formulas again. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Otherwise, what you can do, like if you want to just revise them, you can just Google search the important formulas of differentiability, you will get. Sorry, trigonometry, you will get. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I also did it like last 7 years back, but the thing is, if you try to going out practicing, you will remember it. Okay. No. Yeah.
No issues. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So it is clear, right? How can we derive this formula? It is clear, right? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Another thing, ma'am, will we have questions like these in the upcoming exam?
No, not exactly like that. So we will not give you to derive some formula in the exam. These are the
Alright.
standard, even the sine 3x equals to these are standard formula also. So
Okay,
we will
if
not
you know that sin 3x into 3
yeah,
sin
you
x
can
plus
directly choose
minus 4 cube x, if you know that, then you can tick it.
directly tick it. So we will not give you this type of thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Fifth also we can similarly calculate via this type of thing. Yeah. What is the next doubt?
7.
7. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your doubt?
Well, again, the trigonometry I'm weak. That's
Okay, so sine x plus y formula, right?
okay.
Try to apply it. Sine pi by 2 plus theta. What will be this? Sine, this equals to sine. These are so interesting. I just try to like compute this. Then plus cos pi by 2 sine theta, right? Right?
Yeah, I tried. I written that from previous question. We copied this and split up everything.
Okay,
And
okay.
please proceed, madam.
Yeah, sure. I will help you to relate this thing. No worries. Okay. Yeah. So sine pi by 2 plus theta we can express in this form, right? Sine x plus y formula. Then
Correct.
what is the value of sine pi by 2? 1. Right?
Pi by 2, pi. Okay.
This is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So cos theta is the answer. That means this is correct. Okay.
Okay.
So similarly, we can do the second one. You just guide me. This for the second one.
Madam, your seventh question and my seventh questions are different, madam.
Huh?
At 7 point, my question is different. I think this one,
Okay. Okay. Which one I am scrolling it? Can you say which one is the seventh in your portal?
that is not, it must have gone up, I think. 1 second, I'll tell madam. Which of the following are true if a function R to R and G Q to R, then GOF is well defined. That type of question. Scroll down, scroll. It is not there. I will give madam.
Okay, okay. You are using the recent portal. Just wait. Let me open this portal. Please wait for some time. I'm opening the recent portal. It may take some time to open it.
Meanwhile, I have posted it in the chat, madam.
Sure, sure. If it is okay, so I can take it. Okay, so this is the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which of the following is are true? Okay, so we have F from R to R and G from Q to R. Then G compose F is well defined. So, okay, so G compose F. So F is from R to R. If that means the image of F can be a irrational number also, right? R
Yes,
means
it's R to
R
R.
means Q union Q complement. That means rational union irrational, right? So the image of F can be irrational also, right? Correct?
Image, yeah, image, pre-image, okay.
Image of F, right?
Yes.
So if I take a number from real number real line, so that the image of F is irrational. Okay, then can we define, suppose x belongs to R such that f of x is a irrational number. Okay, then can we define g of f of x? Always, can we define it? Just try to answer.
So f of x is a
Irrational number.
irrational number, but
Yes.
here they have given it as a rational number, no, madam? G, you have
Yeah,
to have a
like for
G.
G, the domain is rational number. That means G is only defined for rational number, right? If
Okay.
I take any irrational number, then this may not be defined, right?
Yes. And we don't require.
Correct. That
Okay.
means this function will not be well defined always. So the basic thing is the range of f should be a subset of domain of G in order to define the function G compose f. Okay.
Range of f should be the domain of G. Okay.
That subset of domain of G. Subset of domain of G. Okay. That means R is not a subset of Q. This is the range of F and this is the domain of G. R is not a subset of Q, right?
Yes. So it is not well defined.
Yeah. For the second function, you just try to find the logic.
Yes. Z is a subset of Q.
Correct. Z is a subset of Q. So this function will be well defined, right? What about third?
It will only, image is only 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1 and 0 and 1 not included.
Yeah. And
So G
domain? Yes.
domain is between 0 and 1. Here the range is 0 and 1. 1 also inclusive.
Yeah.
So either it will be a subset, madam, because here 1 is not,
Yes.
it will be a subset.
Yes. It will be a subset, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because here 1 is included, here 1 is excluded.
Yeah.
Other points are same. So 0, 1 open interval is subset of 0, 1 open interval.
Closed. Yeah.
So this option is also correct. What about the fourth one?
Here 1 and 0 also included, but
in the domain,
range, yeah, domain it
not.
is not included.
So it is not.
Okay.
Okay.
So takeaway is for any composition of functions, whatever you wrote in the box, range of the particular function which is in the left side should be
A subset of domain of the right
of
side.
the right side. Okay. Okay.
Not it will be the opposite. I mean, domain range of the function in the right side should be the
GOF. Okay. GOF. Okay. So domain of the left side. Okay. Got it, madam. The right side, whatever is there, the F, whatever function we are going to do the second for inside the G or inside, that should be a subset of that range should be subset of the
domain of the next function. First
okay.
function.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Is it clear now? Okay. Okay, so maybe we can open the portal. This was the 7th problem. Okay, this is your new portal. Yeah. Anything else in 7.2? No? 7.3? Graphs and tangents?
It was on mute, madam. Sorry. 11. 7.2, 11.
7.2, 11. Last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have f of x equals to x by x plus a, and where x is greater than 0 and a is also greater than 0, f of f equals to this, then we have to find the value of, okay. So we can compute f of f and then we can equate it with this function and then we can compare both sides. So what will be f of f?
F of f will be x by x plus a divided by 3 times x of x divided by x of a x plus a plus 4. X by x plus a plus.
Right?
Yes, madam.
Now we can simplify it. So x by x plus a, then it will be x plus ax plus a
Yes,
square
square
by
divided by
x
x plus a.
So this will be cancelled out. Then we will get x by a plus 1x plus a square, right? Correct?
Yes.
And this is given that it is equals to x by
3
3x plus 4.
plus 4 equal to a plus 1 times x plus x, a square. X is
Now if
equal.
I compare them, then we will get a equals to 2, right? A square is equals to 4, that means a is equals to 2, and a plus 1 is equals to 3, that means a is equals to 2 from both the equation, right?
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Okay. It's clear, right? Okay. Next. Yeah. Anything else in 7.2?
1 second. 7.2 over 7.3.
Okay. Okay, let us
7.3.
go to 7.3.
7.3 I had no issues.
Okay. 7.3. Any doubt? What about others? No doubt? Nothing? Okay. Good. 7.4.
Well, 7.42 I tried, madam, by dividing. It is tending to infinity. 7.42, second problem.
This one, an equals to
Yeah.
3n square. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So divide
So,
by, bring out n square outside, then 5n by 5 by n and 2 by n
correct.
square will go away, even the down also.
Correct.
We have 3 by 6.
Yeah, that means half.
Oh, 3 by 6, okay. Okay.
Is half, right?
Okay, I was written as 2 by 1 and wrote as 2 answer. I mean, last one I took
Okay.
some calculation problem. Okay. This one,
So
okay. I got it.
okay, right? And yeah, what about the next things?
One more, madam.
Hmm.
7th question again. I don't know if 7 is a jinx for me.
This one?
Yeah. Consider sequence root of 2n plus 1 minus root of 2n.
Okay. Okay. So if you have this type of thing, that means under root of something. So first you will try to simplify it. Okay. Because if n is tending to infinity, this portion is tending to infinity or minus infinity or what, we don't know. But if I get something 1 over n, then we can directly compute. So we will try to get the n in the denominator. Okay. For that, how can we do that? We will multiply and divide it with the conjugate. Okay. So
Okay,
we have
so it will
2n
become
plus 1. Yeah. So we have to take, this is what we have. We will take the conjugate of this number. Okay.
2n plus 1 plus root 2n divided by
Divided
root 2n
by
plus 1.
plus 1 plus root 2n. Okay.
So
Whenever
a
you will
minus
have this type of thing, you will always divide it and multiply it with the conjugate. Okay.
a minus b into a plus b.
2n, yeah. Then we will get 2n plus 1 minus 2n by
Root
2n
plus
plus
2n.
1 plus root 2n, right? 2n, 2n will be cancelled out. So we will get 1 over this. 2n plus 1 plus root 2n, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am. So 1 over infinity is 0.
Yeah, That means it is going to 0. So this option is correct. Okay. Fine.
I selected fourth one.
No,
That is
see,
infinity,
the
because
thing is,
directly
here
have
we
to-
will get, here you will get infinity minus infinity, right? So infinity minus infinity is not defined. Infinity plus infinity is infinity, but
Okay.
we don't know what is infinity minus infinity.
So if the same case, if it was 2n plus 1 plus
Then
root
it was
2n means it will become plus if it is there instead of minus, it will be a
Yeah,
infinity, madam.
infinity. Yes, correct.
But again, if we do the same conjugate multiplication,
Then we will get minus here, right? So we can't decide whether it is
Okay,
0 or
okay.
infinity or what, because infinity minus infinity is not defined. So we don't know
Defined.
what will be the exact value.
Okay, madam. So infinity minus infinity is not defined. Infinity plus infinity
It is infinity.
is infinity. Okay.
Yeah. Infinity into infinity is infinity, but we don't know what is infinity divided by
Divided by infinity. Okay.
subtraction and division. We can't comment anything because infinity is not a fixed number, right? So
So just
infinity
because
plus 1
okay,
is
sorry.
also infinity. Infinity plus 2 is also infinity, right? So we can't actually say what exactly infinity is. So subtraction and division we can't say, but infinity plus infinity is always infinity, and the multiplication is also infinity, right?
So it is going to 0. That is why it is convergent. Huh?
Yeah.
How is it?
Yeah, it is convergent. And it is convergent and it is converges to 0. Okay.
0.
So if it is going towards any finite number,
Finite number.
then it is a convergent sequence.
Convergent.
Otherwise, it's a divergent sequence. Okay.
Yeah. Since I told it was going to infinity, other convergent also I did not take.
Yeah. Okay. So this first and second are the correct answers given, right?
Ah, yes, correct, madam.
Okay. So it is clear for all of you, right? Any doubt?
Madam, 8, fourth option.
Question number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, 8 for option 4. Okay. Okay. So we have n is n power 1 over n has limit n. That means limit n tending to infinity, n power 1 over n equals to 1. That is what we already have, right? Now we have to calculate it using this. So we will use the constant multiplication and multiplication power, all these formulas, and we will arrive. Okay. So we have limit n tending to infinity 4
Yeah, now
into
this one can, now after I saw this, I can understand. You can remove it. 4 is a constant. So limit tends
so
to
it will be 4
4
limit
into
n
limit
power
yeah,
whole cube minus 1. So this is 1. That means it will be 4 minus 1. So 3.
3.
Any doubt?
One second, madam.
What about other option? These are clear?
The other option I can understand. Similar way only.
Yes.
Because directly first option is directly
Yeah,
related
limit
to log of
of
1 is 0.
yeah.
And other options we worked out
Log
the
of
same
2
way.
is not equals to 0. So the second option will be incorrect, right?
Yes, madam.
So in the above, we will get log 2 minus 1 over n means 0. 1 over n will be going towards 0. And this will be going towards ln2. So ln2 will be cancelled out. Then the answer will be 1. Right?
ln2 by ln2 equal to 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Only this thing that 3n means you have to make n to the power of 1 by n the whole power 3.
Whole power 3. Yeah.
Okay. Where the exponentials. We have studied in exponentials.
So
Okay.
it's like n. If you have n power 3 over n, we can write it as n power 1 over n plus 1 over n plus 1 over n. Correct? Then n power 1 over n into n power 1 over n into n power 1 over n. That means n power 1 over n whole cube. Correct?
Okay.
That is how it is coming.
Week 5 portions.
Yeah. exponential functions type of thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear?
And, clear, madam.
Mm-hmm.
This one, okay. This one I got one as 10. Question number 10, I got one as answer. But
Mm-hmm.
it's 0.
Okay, let us see. Okay, question number 10. How you got 1?
Subset I took, madam, like -1.
So we can consider 2 subsequents. One
Two
is 1
sequence.
over n and one is -1 over
-1
n,
over
like
n.
odd and even. Both are going
Yeah.
to 0, right?
Both are going to 0. I thought it's going to 1.
No?
1 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, it will go to
Then
0.
it is go to 0 and 1
Sandwich
by n is
principle.
also going to 0.
So when subsets sequence goes to 0, both are 0.
Like
Then
all
it
the
also is 0.
subsequents, if all the subsequents of a sequence going to the same limit, that means the sequence will go to that particular limit. Also we can do it using the sandwich theorem. So this is -1 over n by n. This is clearly greater equals to -1 over n. This is less equals to 1 over n. And both are going to 0. That means using the sandwich theorem also we can say this will be going towards 0, right?
Correct. Correct. And I understood now.
Understood? Okay. It's clear, right? So
Yes,
we can,
madam. Yes, madam.
yeah, okay. So I'm deleting it. Yeah. Next.
So 11th one, can you? No, madam, I did not do it.
Sure. Okay, we can try it together. What about the first option? How can we try to solve the first option?
Decreasing means n plus 1 should be less than n. Nth. That is
We
what
can, if you have this type of thing, we can first always try to balance it. That means 1 over 4. Okay. 3 into 4n minus 20 by 4n plus 2. Okay. Then 1 over 4, 3, 4n plus 2. That means plus 6 will be there. So minus 6 we have to do and minus 20 we already have, right? So it is balanced by, okay? Is it fine? The second line?
So first line 1 by 4 you are taking out.
Yeah.
So from multiply the numerator with 4, 1 and 5 also 5 for the 20.
Yeah.
And here it will be same denominator, same 1, 4. You are done first line over.
Yeah.
Second line you are removing 3 outside.
Yeah.
So
we want to match with it. So we will take this factor. Okay. That means if I open the bracket, it will become 4n plus 6, right? 3 into
so
6.
subtracting
So we have
6.
to subtract 6, then it will be balanced, right?
Okay, okay.
Then the constant term.
Okay, so we are trying to bring one similar, whatever is there in
Yes.
denominator, one in the numerator, we have
Yes.
brought it now.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
So we will get then 3 by 4 minus 26 by 4 into 4n plus 2, right? Correct?
Okay, then 1 will be there, no, madam. Oh, that only 3 has come. Okay, okay. Correct,
Is it
correct.
fine?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now, this is what we have. So the function become this now. So
Okay.
if x1 is greater equals to x2, then 4x1 plus 2 will be greater equals to 4x2 plus 2, right? If we multiply 4, then it will also be same, correct?
Correct, correct.
Then if I do this, again it will be same, right?
Yes.
But if I change it, then the inequality will be reverse. 26 by 4 into x, 4x1 plus 2 will be less equals to 26 by 4 into 4x1 plus 2, correct?
x2 plus 2. Okay.
Correct?
So
Then,
x1.
oh, why I removed it? I need the function. Okay. So now if I take minus, then the inequality will be again the reverse, right? Correct? So we have less equals to. If I take minus here, then it will be greater equals to, right? 3 is less equals to 4, but minus 3 is greater equals to minus 4. Like that. Correct?
Okay.
Okay. That means that up to that we have. Okay. Now if I just add a constant, that means a positive constant, then the inequality will be same. Right?
Correct. Both sides you are doing.
Yeah. That means in the last line we have, if this is our f, so f of x1 will be greater equals to f of x2. So we started with x1 is greater equals to x2 and we ended with f of x1 is greater equals to x2. That means the function is increasing, right?
Yes. Yes.
So this is the incorrect option. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Similarly, can we check the second one? You just try to check and let me know. Start with x1 and x2. Then follow step by step. You should get it decreasing, if I'm not wrong.
X1 is increasing.
Similarly, we will go, okay? x1 is greater equals to x2 means 6. x1 will be greater equals to 6x2.
And increasing means x1 should be less than x2, no?
No, increasing means you should get f of x1 is greater equals to f of x2. This means
Increasing means it should increase, no, madam?
Yeah.
So x2 will be greater than x1, no?
No, that's the same thing, na? Like if x1 is greater equals to x2, then f of x1 will be greater equals to f of x2. But if f of x1 is less equals to f of x2, that means the function is decreasing. Decreasing and this is increasing, right? So increasing function means we know that it will be like that, right? So suppose this is our x1 and this is our x2. Then x1 is less equals to, sorry, this is our x2. Suppose this is our x1. So x1 is greater equals to x2 here, right?
Madam, that is why I told, madam, like x2, we can take it as the next number. Then x2 will be greater and x1 will be lesser, no? Actually, if we take. Why you are taking the first one as x2 and second one as x1? Generally, x1
Okay,
is the first
you
one.
are exchanging x1 and x2 here.
Yeah, normally no, madam. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that only it will go, no?
Okay, you can take it, no problem. So x1 is less equals to x2. If it is increasing, then f of x1 will be less equals to f of x2. If it is decreasing, then f of x1 will be greater equals to f of x2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So so the second option is what? What are you getting?
Yeah, this first I will take 6x1
Is
minus
equals
5
to
is less than
6x2.
or equal to 6x2
Then if I do
minus
minus 5, it will be again less.
Less. Then you bring it, then again minus sign is there, so it will become minus 6x1 plus minus of 6x1 is less than, it will be greater than 6x2 minus 5 with minus sign. Then 1 by 2, it will again, I mean, you take inverse, it will become minus 6x1, 1 by minus 5 is less than or equal to 1 by minus
This one.
6x2
That
minus
means
5.
f of x1 is
So
less.
x1 is lesser, x2, and okay, this is it's increasing, madam. Answer should be correct.
Right? This is increasing. So is it correct? Is the
I'll
answer?
just check in the portal.
Yeah, just check.
Portal, it is increasing sequence.
Right? So we know
Okay.
how to solve it. What about the third one? Again, we are okay. So if x1 is x2, then we know. So we can write it as 1 over root over n plus 1 plus root over n, right? Conjugate thing, same.
Multiply and dividing.
Multiply and dividing, okay? Then we know that if x1 is less equals to x2, then x1 plus 1 plus root over x1 will be less equals to x2 plus 1 plus root over x2, right?
Okay, and once you take the inverse,
it will be reverse.
Greater than.
Yeah.
So then
This
x1
is decrease.
x2 is f of x1, x2 is not increasing.
Okay. And this is clearly increasing, right?
Yeah, root of.
So the second and fourth option are correct. Can you check it once whether
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
The procedure increasing, decreasing, how we should do.
Yeah.
You told in the class once actually when we were doing that. Start with x1, x2, then keep on bringing the function.
Yes.
And once finally you got the function, which is our given function is there, whatever is there with us, put f aside and see if it is started with the greater than.
Yeah.
Any also greater than what you told is, then what we have assumed is correct. Then the answer is correct.
Yeah.
I could remember that, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good. So this is one procedure, and the second thing is you can find the derivative and check it whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0, right?
Okay.
So these two procedure we can follow to check a function whether it is increasing or decreasing. Okay. Any doubt?
No, madam.
Okay.
Fifth activity 5. Activity 5, I think.
Okay. I like your sincerity. That is really good to remember this class things.
Yeah, you explained. No, once we see only, again, in exam, if you don't remember, that's all.
Yeah, no, that's very good to remember all these things. Like to be attentive in a class, it is a really good quality. I really appreciate it.
No, thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Here, only 2 questions I got wrong.
Okay.
One is 8th one, madam. I did not know how to do it. I did not attend at all this question.
Now it is fine, right?
8th, increasing, function is increasing, decreasing. Yeah. I think we can do that. No, madam, this is given. Which of the following are true? Okay, we are given a graph. This can be done. Only which is asking increase interval, no? Function increase. This is I can do.
Yes.
Madam. I don't know why I did not do this.
Okay.
And one more is 9th one.
In this 9?
1 second, madam. I'll just see. No, not in 5. We are still in 7.4 only, madam. 7.5 come.
Okay. I'm going to 7.5.
7.4, I think anybody else having doubt?
If yes, then you can immediately stop me and ask that out. Okay, I'm here for you. Okay, in 7.5, yeah.
7.5, 2 questions. 8th question, madam.
8.
That I think I got it now after this. Same function is increasing in the interval 1, 2, 3. Yeah,
So
1, 2, 3, it is not increasing. Then function is decreasing in between 1 and 2. Yeah, it is decreasing.
Then after 2, it is increasing.
-3 and 0, -3 and 0, it is
-3
decreasing.
to 0, it is decreasing.
Yeah, decreasing. Yeah, for 2 and 3, it is not decreasing. 2 and 3, it is increasing. This one, okay.
1, 3, it is increasing. Yeah.
Yeah, only 1% then.
Then,
1 second, ma'am.
yeah.
0.5. Ninth option 3, I think I have to we have to do, madam.
Option 3.
3, yeah.
Option 3 is a polynomial. So you can directly put the limit there. That means 2 cube, like
Direct,
f of 2.
direct,
Yeah,
yes.
direct. Yeah.
Okay, this one, okay. And one more.
Maybe it was in the solve with the session 2, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Same question was in solve with us.
Okay. I did not attend that session, madam.
Okay.
And one more, I got 1.5 mark here. Fourth question, ma'am.
Fourth.
Left limit is x is to
This one. This one?
1 second.
X, if x is less equals to 2 and 5 is x is greater than 0. This
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Because constant function, graph, how it is becoming left is.
Okay, so if you consider limit, left limit, that means left limit at 2 means limit x tends to 2 minus f of x, right? So 2 minus means it is coming from the negative side of 2. That means left side of 2. That means we will consider this, right?
X.
So this will be limit extending to 2 minus of x. So there is no disturbance, means we will directly put 2 here.
2.
And the right limit is a constant function 5. So right hand limit we will get as 5, right? So the left hand limit and right hand limit exist, but they are not equal, right?
Yeah, right.
That means limit doesn't exist. So left hand limit exists and it is 2. Right hand limit exists, but it is 5. So this option is
left hand limit, how it will okay. Left hand limit exists and it is 2.
2, right? This is 2.
Okay, correct. Okay.
Correct?
Right limit exists and
this is 5. Because
2, right limit from right side when you are coming.
Yeah,
so
the function is 5, right?
Greater than
Constant
2.
function.
Okay, function is 5, yeah.
So we will basically get limit extending to 2 plus the function is 5. So it will be basically 5, right?
Okay, f of x is 5, yeah.
Correct?
Yes, madam.
So the right hand limit exists, but it is 5. That means the second option is incorrect, right?
Exist at x equal to, madam. It is only asking at x equal to 2. That is correct. It is
at
whether
x
it exists or not, it is asking. That's all. It is existing.
Yeah.
It is not asking for f of a, f of x.
Oh, okay. I thought the value is given. Okay.
No.
Then this
At
option
x
is
equal
correct.
to 2. Yeah.
Thank you. So this is correct, right? Because
Yes,
it
correct.
exists and it is 5. And the third option is also true, right? It is 2. Correct? Fourth option is
left side, when you are coming from left side, that is 0, 1, then you will come to 2.
Yeah.
So it will be x. And
the function is x and limit extending to 2 minus of x means we will directly put
2. Yeah. So left limit x equal to 2 is 2. Okay, correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
And right limit is 5. That means left and right are not equal. That means limit doesn't exist.
Yeah. And fourth option is they're saying instead of 5, it is written as -1. So it is wrong.
It is wrong. Okay.
Okay. I got.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you check the answer?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Fine.
10 by 10.
Yeah.
Practice assignment.
Yeah. Next.
Practice assignment.
Practice assignment.
7 on 10.
Practice assignment 7 and 10.
No, madam. I got 3 wrong. So 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3.
This one.
I have done, madam, but one issue was given the function is monotonic decreasing, there is a unique. That one, option number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, actually, there is a difference. We can work together.
Yeah.
Madam.
So the thing is, at x equals to pi, we can see that the tangent, we have a unique tangent, which is this line, right? And
Yeah.
also at x equals to minus pi, we have a unique tangent. That
So
means
as per
both
that,
at
this
pi and minus pi, we will have a unique tangent.
1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth option should be correct, now,
Fifth
madam.
option is correct and sixth is incorrect.
Yeah, but here in the portal, they are given there is a unique tangent at point x equal to pi, but not x equal to minus pi. So that is a wrong answer, no?
Okay, then maybe the answer is wrong there. Yeah.
Okay, then this third question, second also I did not do, but third one I tried and my procedure will you say, madam.
So the third one will be what is the limit of n first? What is the limit of n?
Take out n outside, so it will be 39 by 39, 1.
1, correct. And the limit of bn, that means we have to directly put the limit of n here. Okay. So this is a constant, it will come
Madam, we are
outside.
having 39 by 39, but in ours it is 39 by 34, 25 by 23 I am getting, madam.
Why?
Our numbers are different.
How? The practice assignments are different.
Might be, ma'am.
Okay,
I will just post.
take
I'll post it. See, one means directly we can put everything. It is faster to work.
Yes. Okay, well, fine. You can post it, and then the procedure is basically same. You will get a value, and you have to put them in the final thing. Okay, we'll just put the screenshot. I'm waiting.
Waiting. Yes, ma'am. Got it. I sent, ma'am. Okay. So here we will get 25 by 23, the limit of n. Okay. Then we have to put it here. So we have then the limit of bn will be 12167 into 25 square by. Ma'am, the screen is not fully visible. Can you make it smaller?
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 23 square, then 529 into 25 by 23. Then
last one will become 0.
This will become 0, right? So 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you calculate it?
Yeah, I got 3,600. Maybe somebody else can they try calculating.
Okay, I'm doing this.
I'll also do, ma'am.
Okay. So 12167 divided by 23 divided by 23 is 1. This is exactly what it is. So 25 square means 625, right?
Yes.
And 529 divided by 23 is 23. That means 23 into 25. Into 25 means this will become 575, right? Plus. So total we will get 1, 2, 0.
Somewhere some mistake is there.
Yeah.
Into 25 by 23. You are getting 5. What is this? 529 you are not multiplied, ma'am.
No, 529 divided by 23 is 23.
23, okay. So 23 into 25, 25 square. So this is 1216767 is 23 cube, madam.
Which one? Yeah.
Where is the cube coming into picture actually?
Oh, this will be square. Sorry. Yeah, this will be 23 square. That means we will get 23 here.
Here also that one more last 23 you can cancel it. Plus you cannot cancel. Okay. You have to do it.
So if I cancel it, we will get 23. right?
No, you cannot cancel, madam. It is, how can you cancel? It is 529.
What I can see, 2, 1, 2, 6, 7 by 23 is 529.
Okay.
And if I again divide it, we will get 23.
Okay.
So this is 23 into 25 square plus 23 into 25.
This I can calculate using calculator.
Yeah. Then 575, if I take 23 into 25 common, then we will get 25 plus 1, that means 26 into.
So you wanted 575 into 25. 575 divided by 25.
Yeah.
4,490. Okay, maybe my calculator mistake I would have done, madam.
No,
That's
I
why.
am waiting. You just try to calculate it again, then we will get it.
Yeah, I will try.
Yeah. Just try. I'm waiting for you. No problem.
Yes. Calculator. 12167 into 25 into 25 divided by 23 divided by 23 equal to 14375. Then we have 529 AN into 25 divided by 23 equal to 575. Inverse of that into 14375. What is this? I am getting 25. What is the last one, madam?
529 into 25 by 23.
Yeah, I did that.
And the first one is 12167 into 25 square by 23 square.
23 square, okay. Yeah, 14950. Yes, madam. My calculation mistake only.
Is it fine now?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, good. Yeah, next.
That's all, ma'am. One more. That's all.
No other? No other
Yeah.
doubts?
No, that don't, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What about others?
With this, basically, with whatever practice, 8 questions out of 10 and graded I could do. But 2, I'm searching again.
Yeah, this may be because of some calculation mistake and some concept related thing. So now you know the approaches, right? So you can do the
Graded.
correct approach. Yeah, you can do the graded now. You have to approach by the same thing, same type of
Similar.
approach. Yeah, similar way you have to take. So you can do the, yeah.
Nice session. Thank you. Good.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, what about others? Any doubt? No? If you have any doubt, I am waiting. If you have any doubt, you just ask, otherwise you can leave.
No, ma'am.
No doubt?
Yes, no, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, so if you don't have any doubt, you can leave. Otherwise, I am waiting, you just ask.
Madam, when we will be having revision, madam, this actually exponential and logarithmic, that week 5 and week 6, there are some.
Okay, so I am planning to conduct the revision session on the Wednesday next week. Wednesday. First revision session will be on Wednesday, and the second, that means 7
Friday.
and 8 will be on Friday. Yeah.
Similar, same as quiz 1.
Same as quiz 1. Yeah. First week I will, me or maybe Samiksha will pick 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8.
Okay.
And revision session.
5 and 6, actually, I'm not very comfortable. I was trying PYQs.
Okay.
So maybe next session I'll ask madam.
Yeah, sure. You just try to solve question. Whatever doubt you are getting, you just ask in the revision session. So either me or Samiksha will take the session. We will definitely try to clear the doubts.
Sure, madam. Sure. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much, madam.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah. Good.
I can leave now.
Yeah. Sure.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah. Bye. Okay. So if you have no doubt, then I am ending the session. So yeah. Good night, everyone. Okay. Bye.
Hello, have I anyone? Hello.